Now we come to the moment we've been waiting for to give away the first set of awards. These are special recognitions. I'd like to invite on stage the Turkish Consul General, Kemalettin, and Mansi Hoca of Turkish Hazelnut to come and join us on stage, please. The first award at number 10 goes to Parsi Dhaba Della Resorts, Lonavala. At number 9, we have Saffron from Marriott Jaipur. At number 8, we have another Saffron, coincidentally. This is Saffron from the JW Marriott Mumbai Juhu. At number 7, we have Wisteria Deck, JW Marriott Mussoorie Walnut Grove Resort and Spa. At number 6, we have Amo Orisha from Sterling Puri. To give away the second set of special recognitions, I'd like to invite on stage my dear friend Kunal Vijayakar. Can I also have Atul Puralikar, Ravi Kumar, Zonal Head? At number 5, we have the Frontier Mail at Noor Mahal Palace, Karnal. At number 4, we have the Persian Terrace at Sheraton Grand Bangalore Hotel at Brigade Gateway. At number 3, we have P.F. Chang's Lower Parel, Mumbai. At number 2, we have Alba at JW Marriott, Bengaluru. At number 1, I think no prizes for guessing, Indian Accent, Mumbai. Next week, we're moving into our next category, which has 25 winners, restaurants and hotels. To give away the first set of awards in this category, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Sandeep Goel, please. Jaspal Singh Johar from Vipa. At number 25, we have Shinia at the Hyatt Regency, Gurgaon. At 24, we have the Gourmet Bar at Novotel Mumbai International Airport. At number 23, my childhood favorite, Aheli at Peerless Hotel, Kolkata. At number 22, East JW Marriott Bangalore Prestige Golfshire Resort and Spa. At 21, we have Bella Cucina, Le Meridian, Gurgaon. At 20, we have Halakonia at the JW Marriott, Goa. At 19, we have Shroth Hyatt Regency, Jaipur, Mansarovar. At 18, we have Honk, Pullman, New Delhi. At number 17, we have Girard, another Accor property, Sofitel Mumbai, BKC, Girard. At number 16, Romano's, JW Marriott, Mumbai, Sahar. To give away the second set of awards in this category, I'd like to invite on stage Ajay Chopra. And can I also invite on stage Zishan Alam from Fortune Adani Wilbur. At number 15, we have Zareen from Fairmont, Jaipur. At number 14, we have Falak from the Leela Bharatiya City, Bengaluru. At number 13 is Chena Pranzo at the Grand Hyatt, Gurgaon. At number 12, Mikusu Conrad, Bengaluru. Next up, at number 11, Sawai Kitchen at Raffles, Udaipur.